All the dirt will come out of the body. Ingredients: carrot, water, parsley. Carrots, water, and parsley can all be beneficial for heart health when included as part of a balanced diet. Here's why. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A helps maintain the health of the cardiovascular system by reducing inflammation and promoting proper functioning. Parsley is a nutrient-dense herb that contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and potassium. These nutrients contribute to heart health in various ways. Vitamin A and C act as antioxidants, protecting the heart from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of heart disease. Vitamin K helps maintain proper blood clotting, while folate and potassium support cardiovascular function and help regulate blood pressure. Drink 1 glass before bed.